Alden, it's your update. And during BYD event sa World Trade Center, yung dumaan sa harap mo si Alden. Ayun, sumakay pa nga sa coaching BYD. Pang solid yan. Maswerte pa nga nakapagpa-picture kay Alden. Ayun, bago siya umalis dyan sa event. Ang dami pa nga security. Ito, pababati ni Alden. Ito yung video.
Hello, Mami Susan. Kamusta? Have a safe flight going back to Kuwait. Be safe. And to the whole Pama family, sana lagi kayong okay and hope to see you guys soon. Ingat kayo. God bless.
Ayun, pagdating ni Alden sa BYD event.
From full battery electric vehicles to super DMI vehicles for every lifestyle and every
Meet ni
price.
Alden yung mga boss ng
Explore and
BYD.
test drive all you want from today all the way until April 12th. But I would like to invite all of you to explore the lineup and experience all of this for yourselves. Because if you are ready to make the
Kaya may maswerte din nakapagpa-picture kay Alden. Yun o. Wapo. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Future Reaction Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.